Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Ensodia. And today in this video I'll tell you how you can make high converting landing pages within seconds for any affiliate network like ClickBank, DZStore24, Zevizu, etc. And before that, I'll tell you two methods to find best landing pages that are converting very well. So don't miss any part of this video. Watch this whole video so that you can implement this step by step. But before that, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that in future you don't miss any of our videos like this. So let's get started. For this video, I'll use ClickBank as my affiliate network. If you don't have any account here, just make it. It's absolutely free. Now, after making ClickBank account, just go to its marketplace. From here, you can choose tons of product related to these categories. There are many categories from which you can choose any product. But for now, just click on this search icon. And after that, you will see these results. Just see these are the products which are doing very well, but let me sort it by gravity and it will take some time. And after that, here you can see these are the top performing products of ClickBank. From here you can choose any of the product let me choose this one, Carbofix. So just click on this and you will see this kind of interface. This is the landing page of Carbofix. So let's move to the first method from which you can get the landing pages which are doing very well for this particular product. So for that, just copy this URL, the main URL like this, the carbofix.com. Just copy this. After that, just go to this similarweb.com. Basically, SimilarWeb is a tool that estimates the total amount of traffic different websites get. It allows you to see competitors' top traffic sources. So just copy the URL here, just click on this search button. After that, you will see this kind of interface. Just scroll down and here you can see global rank, country rank, category rank, and these are the total visits what this website is getting, and these are the countries from where they are getting high traffic like United States, Canada, etc. And when you will scroll down and here you can see this is the map, and here you can see from direct linking also they are getting traffic. But our main aim of this video is to get to this person, that is top referring website. Here you can see these are the websites from which traffic is generating for this Carbofix product. So this is the agency. This is not also good. This is ClickBank. So we will go this, just click on this and we will see whether this site is a kind of landing page or blog. So here you can see this is kind of landing page, or you can say blog, and this is the same product for which we want landing page, this one, Carbofix. So here you can see when you will scroll down, there is a button. If you will click on this button, you will be redirected to their affiliate product page, and here you can see this is the video, and if someone will buy the product from this, he will get commission for that. So what you have to do is just find these kind of landing pages and copy the link of that particular landing page. Just copy it, and it's not necessary that you have to copy the link of any landing page from SimilarWeb, as I am giving you an example only. If you have your competitor's landing page URL, then just copy that URL in a WordPad like this. Later I will tell you what you have to do with this URL. But before that, let's move to our second method to find high converting landing pages. And for that, just go to Google and visit isearchfrom.com, and this is the interface which you will see. Now if you want to promote your landing page in United States, so what you have to do is just come over here to this country section, and there just type any other country other than United States. Like, let me type United Kingdom. So for that, United, and here you can see, just select United Kingdom and make English as your primary language and make it current. And after that, just search for this. What is our product name? Let me see it, Carbofix. So just go back here and just write it, Carbofix review. Review landing page is the best landing page which converts. So just write Carbofix review, and after that you will see tons of landing pages which are doing very well. That's why these people are running ads in United Kingdom. So from here, what you have to do is just copy the landing page URL. You can't simply copy from this, but you have to manually write the landing page URL. Like, I have opened this URL. This is anamidi.weebly.com. I don't know what the pronunciation is. Like, here you can see this one is the website which I have opened in new tab. You can't open from here, you just have to type this thing in a new tab. So here is the landing page which is doing well, and that's why they are running ads for this. Here you can see, if you will scroll down, you can see how beautiful is this landing page. So yeah, this is the landing page which is converting very well. So what you have to do is just come over here to URL section, just copy this and go back to your WordPad and just paste it over here. So yeah, these are the two methods from which I am finding high converting landing pages. Now the question arises, how you can make these landing pages within seconds. So for that, just go to the description. There you will find a link of Lenderbolt with a 15% off coupon code. So just click on that, and after that you will be redirected to this website. To be honest, this is the best landing page builder for an affiliate marketer. When you will scroll down, these are the specifications which you will get, like free domain, unlimited traffic, universal page importer, 10,000 landing page, 10 domains, zip file importer, and etc, etc. So if you want to really become successful in affiliate marketing, you have to buy these kinds of softwares. You can't rely on free things. So just think big. $47 is nothing. And if you will use my code INSODIA15, then you will get 15% off for 3 months, for first 3 months. And here you can see I have already subscribed to this Lenderbolt. I am paying $47 per month, and I have asked this website owner to make a coupon for my subscribers, for you all, so that I can help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So use INSODIA15 to get 15% off for first 3 months. So when you will sign up to this website, you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is just scroll down, and there you will see this link, import from URL. Just click on that, and after that you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is just go back to WordPad where you have copied the link. Just copy this. I'll use this one, so just paste it over here, and after that just come over here to this page name and make any name, like Carbofix, you can say best review, something like that, and you can make category to Carbofix, or you can say fat loss. I think this is the fat loss product. Let me see it. Yeah, this is the fat loss product. So just make it fat loss, and here you can select the domain which they will give you for free, and after that you can make the folder name like Carbofix, and yeah, that's it. Just click on create page. Now it will take some time to load. Let's wait for it. And here it is, page created successfully. Now just go to this visual editor, just click on this, and it will take some time to load. And here you can see this is the website which we have copied. They have used images. They haven't written any single word for this landing page. Here you can see this is image, this is also image. When you will click on this, you can change URL from here. You can paste your affiliate link URL, and other option is that just right click. After that, click on this edit link. Once you click on this, you will see this thing. Here you have to put your own affiliate link. So for that, just go to marketplace, click on promote, and after that it will take some time to load. And here you can put your tracking ID, like I'll make it Lenderbolt. After that, just come over here, click on generate hop link, and this is the affiliate link which you will promote. So just copy this and go back to here, just paste it over here. Now you are good to go. Just click on OK. So when someone will click on this, he or she will be redirected to your affiliate link. And here you can see this is also an image. I don't know why they have put so much images. They haven't written any single word. You can change this image URL from here, but I'll suggest you must leave it as it is. You only change the affiliate link from everywhere. I have already told you how you can change it. But to make this affiliate page legal, you have to add one word like this, or you can change a few words from this. Let me delete it, and you can write Carbofix review site, something like that. I'll write review site. You can add or delete any one word from this whole landing page, and this is all yours. This is fully legal, and you can use this landing page and you can promote this landing page to US and UK. Now once everything done, just come over here to this button, save changes. Just click on this and it will take some time and it will save your page. Now just go to this page properties and just click on this publish button. Once you will click on this, it will take some time, and after that your page will be live. Just click on this link, and after that, here you can see this is the website or landing page which we have copied. Here you can see this is the highly converting landing page, as people are running ads for this. So yeah, this is highly converting. Let's see other site also. Like here you can see, just copy this and just go back, create new page. Just click on this and click on universal importer, and after that you can paste the URL which we have copied, and you can name anything, whatever you want you can name it. And after that you can name it any category. You can select domain, you can name folder, anything, and just click on create page. And after that, as usual, it will take some time, and here you can see our page is successfully created. Now just go to visual editor, wait for some time, and here you can see this is the landing page. Now from here you can edit anything. This is not the image like previous video. They have written words for that, so we will easily edit these words. Like you can edit anything from here, like you can write, you can delete this thing also. Just select this, click on delete, or just press delete, and here it is. Similarly you can delete this thing also. Just select and delete. Now scroll down, and here you can see you can change this image also, and from this section you can add anything. As I have told you, you can write anything here because this is not an image, so you can write anything, XYZ, anything. Here you can see. Now you can change this link also. Just right click on this, and after that just click on edit link. Just follow the steps which I have already told you in this video. Paste the affiliate link to this URL section, your affiliate link. You can get it from this. Just click on promote button. and get your affiliate link. Go back to the website, paste your affiliate link here and click on OK. So it's very simple. And similarly, you can add anything to this landing page. You can edit anything, you can select anything, you can delete anything, you can add pictures, you can make it bold. There are many things which you can do with Lenderbolt. So if you want to learn more about Lenderbolt, just sign up to Lenderbolt. Click on this message icon. Just click on this. Now here you can ask any problem to this. You can send message to them and they will help you. And just scroll down. There you will see Lenderbolt video walkthrough series. Just click on that. And here you can see, just scroll down, and you can make landing pages with the help of Lenderbolt. This is a full tutorial. You can add, manage domain and subdomains. From this video you can get more information. You can learn how to use Visual Page Editor, bulk link replacer, and there is every video which you need. So just go through this and you will be expert of Lenderbolt. So once you watch this whole video, just go back and there you are good to go to use Lenderbolt. Not only you can copy someone's landing page, but also you can make your own landing page. Just click on this getting started, and after that just scroll down. There you will see three options. Start with a template. Just click on that, and after that it will take some time to load. And here you can see there are many landing pages, you can say templates, which are available. You can select these templates and make your own landing pages. Also you can search templates from here. You can select any niche template like this. You can select blog or something like that. So yeah, these are the things which you can do. And you can add your own domains here. Like this is the free domain which you will get, or you can add domains from here. Just write the domain which you want to add. Just click on add domain and you are good to go. As I have already told you, there is a video tutorial on how to add domain in Lenderbolt. So yeah, that's it for this video, and don't forget to use that particular coupon code INSORIA15 so that you can get 15% off for first 3 months. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.